Hey guys, Alex Gaming here, and today we will be playing Animal Jam Play Wild, and yes, it might be a little bit cringy, but we are trying to save up 150 sapphires for the Arctic wolf. Yes, and I say that correctly. I am trying to get the Arctic wolf, so every time in the treasure hunt, well, almost every time, I'll get a sapphire and a spiked collar. Because, yes, I figured out that the Arctic wolf is the one that you can get the spikes out of. Not a lot of people can get the Arctic wolf, and the Arctic wolf is actually really cool, has a lot of good characteristics, and is basically one of the most popular animals. So, yeah, first let's go to my den, because it's a little bit loud here. Or should I say cramped, because there was a heck of a lot of people. Yeah, I've already gotten some of my chests. Because at first I thought I was recording, but it actually wasn't. So I just kind of randomly click around. Most of the time I just get gems. See, almost in every treasure hunt, I at least get something. I've never had a treasure hunt before where I didn't get anything. See, 3 chests in a row. Well, not really in a row, but still, I got 3 treasure chests. Ah, now right there. The Arctic wolf. That's what we're going for. The one at the very top. Now, what I'm going to check first is how many sapphires I have. Then I'm going to check how many sapphires I need. I have 41 sapphires. Because I spent a lot of my sapphires on pet items. Because I'm stupid. Alright, so now we have to check how much the Arctic wolf costs. Because I know it costs like 100 something sapphires. Just 60 or more, just like 70 or 80 more sapphires to go. Yay. Alright, so yay. Let's check how much I need. There's the moose, it's 150. Coyote, 150. Most of them are 150 unless they have a little sale going on. Dire wolf. Oh, the goat is 100. It only has 3 days left. Komodo dragon. I already have a penguin, but I got it from a code. I didn't buy it. There's deer, panda, lemur. Come on. Where's the Arctic wolf, boy? There it is. Arctic wolf. Yep, I was right. It's 150. I also want a fox, but the fox ain't going anywhere. See, look at him dancing. I love the Arctic wolf's little cute dance. So I need 150 sapphires. Yeah, I only have 41, so let's try to do the math real quick. Insert thinking music here. Yeah, I'm just going to use paper and pencil for this. So yeah, stay tuned. Alright, I'm going to go to my little sapphire thingies and check the stuff that I need. But hold on. Wait up 1 minute. You can hear the pages flipping. I'm going to do my maths. 150 minus 41. I need 109 sapphires. Alrighty, I guess I'm going to best guess for this one. I did not mean to click whatever I clicked. But I guess we're playing it. Oh, claw machine. Yeah, sure. I love the claw machines. They're actually super fun. And yes, I've now turned my channel into a new weird gaming channel. You know, I've never known the trick to these. I just know you go somewhere. I just know that sometimes, most of the time, the front is the best place to search for plushies. Oh, I got one. Oh, it's a little red panda. Oh, wait, I meant to... yeah, koala. It's a koala. Alrighty, let's leave. I spent 10 gems already. And only got one prize out of it. Alrighty, I need to go to Best Dressed. Try not to press that. Oh, it's not on there. Oh, yeah, Best Dressed is one of the... or, no... Best Guess is... oh, it's on right now. Well, how lucky is that? So I need 109 sapphires. Oh my gosh. Some frogs can change their colors. Yeah, I think that's true. There's this one frog that I think can change colors. Woo! Alright. Oh, see? This dude right here. Mary Cute Bunny is black with a spike. Wasps can adjust their temperature of their nest themselves. I think so. I don't know. Oh, thank goodness. So, Mary Cute Bunny has a spike, and house mice do not build nests. House mice can build nests. I don't really care if I'm wrong. Boy, I was right. Boy. Bats only live in caves. No, I think there's that one bat that lives in trees. I think. I don't know. Whoa! Yep, I was right. But I don't know if it lives in trees or not. Bottlenose dolphins will follow fishing boats in hopes to find food. I don't know. I'll just guess the dolphins are always super fat and hungry. No offense to people that like dolphins. Oh. Oh yeah, I finished one of the things. Platypuses do not hunt underwater. That's false. I think they do hunt underwater. No, I'm choosing false. Alright. Sorcerer set. Sacred. Wildebeests are herbivores. I'm going with yeah. Oh. Most of these I'm just guessing and I keep getting them right. Blue marlins are very social creatures. I have no idea what that is, so I'm just gonna go with no. Oh my god. Look, I keep getting them right. Parrots can live up to 80 years. Kinda wanna stay right here, but I kinda wanna move. I'm just gonna stay. Oh man. Well, didn't get that one right. Alright. Got 780 gems, but I'm looking for sapphires. Oh, hold on. Let me just... So yeah. Yes, I am using screen recorder. I use it a lot, actually. Wait, what the frickin' nuggets is this? What is you? Alrighty. Let's go to games. Huh? Oh, I have to answer 25 questions correctly. I have 19, so 6 to go, and then I'm good. I'm gonna go to best guess back. And then I'll try out another one after. True. A lot of people are yelling, true! What? Hippos are carnivores. Yeah, I mean, they do got them teeth to where they can tear you apart. But I've seen one eat a watermelon before. I knew it! I saw one eat a watermelon before. means pythons cannot swim. I've seen a snake in water before. They don't eat meat. Yeah, listen to that guy that just said they don't eat meat. He's got freaking cheats on. Young gorillas typically only live for 15 years. I have no idea what that is. I don't know, guessing got me. Oh, how do you get that phantom armor? I want that. Blue whales only live for 20 to 30 years in the wild. I don't know. Dang it! I knew it! But I just wanted to stay away. Walruses are mammals. They're born their babies. I'm just gonna stay over here. Oh. What the flip? Okay then. Flipping. Oh my gosh. I am so sorry, guys. My phone does that a lot. Wait, what? Oh, sorry, my mom just got home. Alrighty. Still gonna try my hardest. Need 100. Oh, hi, Mom. I need 109 sapphires so I can get a freaking Arctic wolf. I think you can trade in. Can you trade in gems for sapphires? I'd be happy if you could. Yeah, I'd probably have to trade a lot of gems for one single sapphire. Alright, let me go back to my den. Five more to go, and then I'll be done. Let me hurry up and go back to best guess. 19 minutes left until best guess is gone. Female newts can lay 200 to 300 eggs at a time. Well, I landed right here, so I guess I'll stay there. Dude, if you're saying... Look at this dude right here. He just said yes, but he's on the no side. What the? Oh my god. Keeps doing that. What the frick nuggets, man? Hold on, guys. Here, I'll make a part 2. Bye.